Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I just bought this vacuum cleaner, Shark NZ801UK, and I want to do an unboxing today with you and show you what you will find in the box. Typical Argos. I purchased this from Argos today for £229. So this is supposed to be a very good vacuum cleaner. It's got very good reviews. I have seen online around 4,600 reviews, and it's currently rated at 4.6 stars out of 5, which is very good. It's supposed to be a very good vacuum cleaner. There it is. So this is the Shark Duo Clean with anti-hair rot technology. This is why I wanted to buy this, because it is a pain in the ass to get all the hair that wraps while you're vacuuming. Okay then, you've got specifications. Actually, this is how to put it on, but we'll do that together nice and easy. Manual, I recommend to read this manual, how to put it together. There you go. Usage types. It's got the hard floor setting, the carpet setting, suction control, and so on. Attachments, and there you go. Okay then, in the box, starts with the most important attachment, which is the brush. Now, as I said, this is a duo clean, which is very suitable, which means it's very suitable for hard floors and carpets as well. There you go. Okay, now if you look there, you can see the two brushes. This brush is supposed to pick up the big pieces of debris, and the second brush is to take all the small particles of dust and everything. So I am indeed expecting this to be as advertised. I love the fact that it's got LED lights. You can easily see any remaining pieces of debris, dust. So this should be good. Hose. Right, we've got the attachments. If I don't break them, we'll have the attachments. That's one. This is a smaller one. Okay, we have the wand. I might need to look on the manuals to put this together. This hose is 0.8 meters, but it's expandable up to 1.5 meters, if I'm not mistaken. It's a very good feeling. You can feel the quality. Okay. As I said, suction control, minimum, maximum. So if you have a carpet which is loose, then it's best not to put it on maximum, because all it's going to do is just take the carpet with it. And the setting on hard floor, carpet. Let me see if I can get it close to you. Carpet, hard floor. Carpet, hard floor. Okay. And then now let's have a look at this beauty. I forgot to mention that the actual power cord is 8 meters long. One little advice though is to be careful when you vacuuming, because the brush on this vacuum is so powerful that it will break the cord. I'll try not to break it before I use it. There you go. You've got a HEPA filter there, which is washable. Now on Shark website, they do recommend to wash the filter every 3 months. Now let's see if I got it right. There's one. Anything else in the box? No, that's it. Right, that's one. That's two. I'm going to try and do it like that so you can actually see what I am doing. Two. There's this holder. Well, it's not supposed to be like that, but at the moment I'm just going to put it like that. To hold the cables, it goes from there to there, so just do it like that. Okay. Then the hose. Hose goes in there, and this bit goes in here. Right, attachments. You can get the pet attachment. It's great for people who have pets, for pet hair. You can get them separately. You can also get the HEPA filter separately as well. It's below 10 pounds, so it's not really expensive. Okay, and one and two. That's pretty much it. To use it, you press it and you go. It's got a very good feeling, yeah. It should be quite easy to use. Now to release the handle, you press this up, you put your attachments in, you can take them out. There you go, attachments in, and there you go. Same with the other one. This one goes in and you're ready to go. I really like the fact that if you want to reach under tables, under restricted spaces, only to lift this away, you just press this button there and you're good to go. Now, how easy is this? Perfect. I will do a different video with a proper test and see how this works. So if you know anyone who's looking to buy the Shark NZ801UK, then share this with them so they can see what's in the box. And I must say I do have one concern with this vacuum cleaner, which is I wonder how many cables this little shark will eat. Eat.